Hi everybody, hope you're all keeping well. Welcome back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for me. Today we're going to be roasting a couple of chickens. So let's see how I do that. So here I've got a couple of chickens. These are about 1.5 kilos in weight. That's about 3 pounds. I'm going to roast both of them. You might be asking, why am I roasting 2 chickens? I like to roast a couple of chickens at the beginning of the week. One I can use in a roast dinner. The other one I can use the meat for making fajitas, chicken curry, use it for chicken salads, chicken sandwiches, toppings on pizza, that sort of thing. It's very versatile meat. It's a very economical way of buying chicken as well, because you're going to get a good kilo of meat out of this for the same price that you might only get a couple of chicken breasts. And as well as that, the roasted chicken, I think, gives much better flavor when you're doing the things like curry and fajitas and that sort of thing. So, how do I cook them? Put them to one side. Simply just, very simple, get some tin foil, take the chicken, pop it in the middle. I get some butter, put a little butter around there, in between the legs, and then wrap it up. Now the current recommendations in Ireland and I believe the UK is that when you get a chicken is you shouldn't wash it. I'm just going to double wrap it here in tin foil. That helps keep all the moisture in so it doesn't dry out. I'll put that on the tray and I'll do the same with the other one. Yeah, as I was saying, the current recommendation is that you don't wash the chicken. You just take it out of the package, put it straight onto the foil and into the oven. The theory behind that is that you won't spread any salmonella or anything around your kitchen. So we'll just wrap that up. So just rotate it through 90 degrees and wrap it up. Put it on the tray. Now you want to cook your chicken in 180 degrees Celsius, about 360 Fahrenheit, for about 20-25 minutes per pound. So I'm going to put these in for an hour and a half. So 20-25 minutes per pound plus an extra 20-25 minutes. You're able to tell when they're done when you take them out. You pierce the thickest part of the chicken. If the juices run clear, then you know it's done. So I'm going to keep these just apart, put them in the middle shelf, preheated oven for about an hour and a half, and then we'll have a look at them. It's been an hour and a half now. Just take them out of the oven, let them wrap them, have a look, and test to see if they're cooked. I'll tell you one thing, they smell great. So looking at this now, it's a bit anemic looking, but I'm using this for the meat. I'm not having it as a centerpiece for my roast dinner. But if we pierce it on the thickest part there, you can see the juices are running clear, so that tells me it's cooked. And we'll just check the other one. And it's the same. You can see how the moisture is all kept in there. It's left it nice and soft and supple, the meat. It hasn't gone all dry. So that juices are running clear. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of the chickens off the roasting tray and just put it to one side. And this one here, I'm going to put it back in the oven so we can brown it off, so we get that nice golden brown. So I'm going to take some of the juices, just baste it. We're going to put this back in the oven, same temperature, it's 180 degrees Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit, for about 15-20 minutes, just so it goes a nice golden brown. So I'll pop that in, we'll come back in a minute. There we go, there's your traditional golden brown cooked chicken. It was in the oven for about 25 minutes. I took it out halfway through, just basted it, make sure it didn't dry out. There you can see, nice golden brown chicken, looks far more appetizing. There we go guys, that's how I cook my chickens. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to leave your questions or comments down below. Subscribe if you're new here, give me the old thumbs up, I'll pop another video here and here, the old subscribe button in the middle. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.